Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV Tutorial for Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair or reset Windows settings application in Windows 10 PC. In Windows 10 or 11, you can control almost all aspects of Windows via the settings applications. However, it may work incorrectly due to some bugs and glitches. If you are experiencing the problems while accessing the settings application, you need to repair or reset it. Here we have a few ways to repair or reset Windows settings. That is what we are going to do, so watch the video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. Method number 1, reset Windows settings using application settings. If this system components is not working right, we can try to repair or reset it. To do that, go ahead on start button and click on it, then go to settings and right click on it, and then go to more section and click on application settings. It will open application settings page. Then scroll down to the reset section. Here under reset section you will see reset options. Then click on the reset button like this. Then you will see a confirmation message. This will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Then click again to reset. This will reset Windows settings. This may take for a while. Be patient. Once complete, then check if the issue is fixed or not. It will fix your problems. If the problem persists, next method number 2, reset and re-register Windows settings using command prompt. To do that, open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. In the search box, type CMD, and in the search results, here you need to run command prompt as administrator. Then select run as administrator and then click yes to approve the user account control prompt. It will open command prompt with admin privilege. In the command prompt window, type the following command, copy and paste this command from the description box below and then press enter. This will reset your Windows settings. Once complete the reset, close the command prompt window and then check if the issue is fixed or not. That's all. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us if you have any issues. So please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to see more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.